Hi everyone, I'm Ricky from Tech Talk, and today we're looking at the Moshi Versacover for the iPad Pro 10.5 inch. Let's get into the unboxing and setup video. So a massive thank you to Moshi. They do offer a wide range of covers for all different iPads. The link will be in the description for this one. Then you can pick and choose your iPad. For the Versacover, they offer two different colors. They offer black and pink, then also different colors for different cases, depending on your options. Here in the UK, this one costs £50, which is a really good competitive price compared to Apple. That doesn't actually cover the front. This covers the front and the back and offers a shock absorbing system with a great design as well. This case offers a shock absorbing frame, offers a durable 360-degree protection to your iPad. That's really key because the iPad Pros do cost a lot of money. It has a unique origami folding cover design which can give you options for reading, viewing and also movie watching in different angles, which we're going to check out in the video. So this supports iPad's auto wake and sleep function as well. This will also offer access to all your buttons and the camera on the iPad. So down here at the bottom you have a bit of branding, then you have the different stand modes it offers. So you've got a 40-degree typing angle, a 50-degree reading angle, and then a 60-degree for movie watching. So I can't wait to test this out. On the back here we just have some information, and this is an award-winning cover here from Moshi. So let's get into the actual cover itself. Just turn it over at the bottom. So it just pulls out from underneath. So you have a sleeve. So we have our case, and then you have instructions underneath how to insert your iPad correctly, and then also how to fold as well. Again, there's more instructions inside here as well. If you do have any questions or queries, drop a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help. Remember, the website link is in the description as well. So what I like on the back here, it's a nice clear one, so it protects the back of your iPad as well, first of all. So let me just get my iPad Pro. So just on here, there it is offering cleaning instructions for your case, which I do recommend that you follow. Also down the bottom, if you're worried about warranty, they do offer extended warranty there. Just follow the instructions that you're going to see on the bottom there to extend your warranty and guarantee for this case from Moshi. Currently on my iPad Pro at the moment, I've just got the standard Apple case here. So it protects the front, but it doesn't protect the back. And then when you're using it, you can fold it around. It protects the back, but it doesn't protect the front. With this case, it offers both, which is great. So we're going to snap that off, and we're actually going to use this case here. And I'm looking forward to testing it out. So inside here, you do have instructions on how to put your case in properly. Do follow these, and then also the folding technique that you'll need to learn. And the origami folding style is awesome. I'm looking forward to really testing this out here from Moshi. So a big thank you to them during the video. Please give the video a thumbs up and remember to hit subscribe to stay updated with all our latest videos. First of all, let's just put the iPad in its case here. So now I've unboxed and talked about the Versacover, let me show you in action. So it's a nice feel case here. It does look nice. It looks high quality, which is great to see. Protection all the way around, protection on the back here for our cameras, our microphones. You do have some branding, which is really nice. There is protection for your speakers and charger slot down there, again here at the top. So this does use a unique origami folding style. So what you notice is two dots here. There's one here, one here. You'll need to always fold these two in together like so to start off with. There's also a neat way to fold this case out. So if you turn your iPad around, hold your fingers here so the two dots are away from you, and then if you flick, it'll go straight into the case, and then we're into the movie option here. This is where you can sit back, relax, and watch a movie. Then if you turn this on its side, so you'll see the case will bend out, bend it back round, sturdy it back up, and then you're in your reading option. So you have reading, or for when you're cooking, maybe you can read through a recipe, and then you do have a final option of a keyboard. So finally, for the keyboard option, bring your two tabs together. So bring together, and you're going to fold round and then fold down. Then you're ready to use for your keyboard here, and then we can type away nice and sturdy and great to use. So unfold, fold all back up, and there we go. Our iPad is all back to the same way, but you have so many different options with this unique folding case here. Massive thank you to Moshi, who have sent out the Versacover for the iPad Pro 10.5. I will also be doing a full review that will be live on the channel very soon, and then also there is going to be a giveaway of this cover. So please give a massive thumbs up to Moshi for sending this out. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, ring that little bell to stay updated with all my latest news and reviews and unboxing videos. And from me, Ricky, I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.